Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert video to photo in CapCut. This is a simple process that will allow you to save any frame from your video as a photo. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut on your PC and load your project. Once the project is open, find the video you want to work with and navigate to the specific frame you want to save as a photo. Step 2. Now, pause the video on the frame that you want to save. It's important to make sure the exact moment you want to capture is displayed. Step 3. After finding the frame, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Step 4. From the menu, select Export Still Frame. This option will save the current frame as a still image. You can choose the folder where you want to store the image and also rename the file if needed. Step 5. Before exporting, you can adjust the resolution and format of the image if desired. Once you're happy with the settings, click Export. The image will be saved in your chosen folder, and you can also choose to import the photo back into your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials.